Dear students, viewers, Assalamu alaikum. At the very outset, let me introduce myself to you all. I am Liaquat Ali Firdausi, in charge subject specialist, Government Higher Secondary School, Sobodero, and honorary administrator, Dan Public College, Government. I will teach you English subject online. Dear viewers, as you know that these days we are facing alarming situation of coronavirus. The government has closed educational institutions, coaching centers, tuition centers due to threat of outbreak of COVID-19. Rather than in-person classes, I'll teach you online. I have written, our today's topic is the articles. I have written the articles on the board. Word article has different meanings. Number one, article means a thing, an object, an item of goods, का shape. I bought some articles from the shop. Here what articles means I bought some items of goods from the shops. I bought some objects from the shop. Article means a non-fictional essay. It also means a composition, a theme. Newspaper published an article on the health alerts or on coronavirus. Here word article means a non-fictional essay. Ali wrote an article on Hazrat Ali alayhi salam for magazine. Here word article means a non-fictional essay. Article also means a clause of constitution, an article of constitution, a section of legal document. कोई कानून जो फुकरो. For example, an article of constitution has been amended. Under article 154, he was apprehended by the police. He was arrested by the police. In violation of section 144, amalgamated at the examination centers, he was arrested by the police. Here, word article means a clause of constitution. As far as English grammar is concerned, in English grammar, the articles such as a, an, and the are considered as adjectives because they are placed before nouns to define them in the sentences. For example, a girl was singing, an apple is in my hands, the sun rises in the east. In these three sentences, you will find word girl, apple, sun. Girl, apple and sun. These three words are nouns and we have placed a, an and the before them. Because adjective is a word which qualifies noun, which is adds something in the meaning of noun. So we have added before a and the before noun, girl, apple and sun. Therefore, these are considered as adjectives. There are two types of articles: definite article, indefinite article. Definite article is used when we don't speak of, when we don't talk of any particular person or thing. When we speak of any particular person or thing, when we speak of any definite person or thing, we use the, that is definite article. And when we don't speak of any particular person or thing, we use a and an, because these are indefinite articles. It is imperative for the students to master the use of articles, because students usually commit mistakes. They use the articles where not required, and they don't use the articles where it is required. Article and, definite article. Indefinite article is used when we do not speak of any particular person or thing. For example, I saw a boy in the bazaar. I found an ink pot lying in the room. We have used a and an with a noun boy and ink pot. Boy, it is a singular, countable and common noun. Ink pot, it is a singular, countable, common noun. We have placed a before a boy and an before ink pot. Boy, he may be A, B or C. He is not a particular boy. Ink pot, any ink pot, not particular ink pot. Therefore, we have used indefinite article before these two nouns. Definite article there is called the definite article because it is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. For example, he is the man whom I saw yesterday. Man, it is a singular common noun, but we have used the before it because he is the man whom I saw yesterday. And he is the man whom I saw yesterday means he is some particular man. He is some definite man. He, nobody else, was seen by me yesterday. Therefore, to particularize word man, we have used definite article before it. I had written these two different sentences. I had a ball pen and a pencil. The ball pen is mine and the pencil is yours. With ball pen, it is a singular common noun. I have placed a before it. With pencil, singular noun, I have placed a before it. Whereas in the second sentence, ball pen, I have placed the ball pen. Pencil, I have placed before it the. I have a ball pen and a pencil. First, it was indefinite, and in the second sentence, it is definite. The ball pen, which is referred before, is mine, and the pencil is yours. So when I use a for the first line before a singular countable noun, I have to use a, and when in the second sentence, when we speak of some particular ball pen that is mine and the pencil that is yours, I have placed the ball pen, the pencil. There is a boy outside. Ask the boy come in. In this sentence, I have used a before a boy. Whereas word in the second sentence before word boy I have used the. It is because when I have used a boy for the first time before a singular countable noun, is the boy who is, I don't know the boy who was standing outside. And in the second sentence, ask the boy who was standing outside to come in. I have used the boy. Because in the second sentence, boy is some particular boy. Now let's learn correct use of article A. Rule number 1. Article A is used before words or singular countable nouns beginning with the sound of a consonant letter. Masalan, a boy, a cow, a pen, a woman, a desk. Boy, singular common noun, cow, singular common noun, pen, woman. Boy begins with B, it's a consonant letter. Cow begins with C, consonant letter. Pen begins with P, it's a consonant letter. Woman begins with W, it's a consonant letter. I have placed before boy, a cow, a pen, a woman. Rule number 2. Article A is used before such vowel letters having sound of U. For example, a unit, a university, a union, a utensil. Well, my dear students, let us continue the correct use of article A. Rule number 3. Article A is used before the words beginning with O. O, it is a vowel letter, but sounded or pronounced with V and Sindhi. One rupee note, one way road, one-eyed giant. These are compound words. एक रुपए जो नोट, वन वे रोड, एक तरफो रोड या रस्तो, वन-eyed giant, एक अखबारो या काणु जिन्न या भूत. These are compound words. These words are beginning with O, which is a vowel letter, but its pronunciation in Sindhi is with V, W-A, wow in Sindhi. Therefore, we have to place a article before it instead of N. A one-eyed giant, a one-way road, a 1 rupee note. Rule number 4. Article A is used in the sense of one. Sense means mafhum ya mana. यानी 1, 1, 2, 3 in a number. एक 1 जे सेंस में आर्टिकल ए इस्तेमाल करें. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही slew 7 at a below. Slew, it is past of slay. It is past of slay. Slay means to kill something, to kill someone in a battle or war. Slew is its past. Slew is past of slay. He slew 7 at a below. Below means stroke, physical stroke of a body, a forcible stroke of a body. He slew 7 at a below. A below A is equal to 1. Means he slew 7 at 1 below. In a हिक धक में 70 खून कया, कत्ल कया. of one. Not one word was said. हिकु लफ्ज़ भी न ॻाल्हायो वियो न चयो वियो. We usually say not a word more. Shut up. हिकु लफ्ज़ भी वधीक न ॻाल्हायो. A word to the wise is sufficient. A word to the wise is sufficient. अक्लमंद जे लाइ इशारो ही काफ़ी आहे. A word means one word to the wise is sufficient. So in rule number 4, article A has been used in the sense of, in the meaning of one. Now rule number 5. Article A is used in the sense of certain. Certain also means sure. Certainly means surely. Here certain means ko, ka, ki, any. I met a beggar who pretended to be dumb. A beggar means I met any beggar. Beggar was A-B-R-C. He was any beggar. A kashif is suspected by the police. Word kashif, it is a proper noun and no article is placed before proper noun. Kashif is a proper noun. We cannot use article before proper noun before kashif. But in this case, when we use a kashif means a kashif, a certain person, namely kashif, is suspected by the police. Here, a kashif means a certain person, namely kashif, is suspected by the police. So in this case, we can use a kashif, means a certain person named kashif. Now rule number 6. Article A is used in the sense of any, in the sense of every. When an individual is meant to represent a class. For example, a soldier should obey his commander. A soldier means any soldier. A soldier means every soldier. A soldier means all soldiers. A soldier, it represents its whole class. A cow gives milk. A cow here means every cow gives milk. A garden has trees. When a garden, here a garden, it represents its whole class, means every garden has trees. So when we use a, when it represents its whole class. Rule number 7. Article A is placed before professions. Ali is a lecturer. Ahmad is an engineer. He is a singer. Kashif is musician. I want to be a doctor. Doctor, lecturer, singer. These are professions. So we use article A before them. Rule number 8. Article A is used before some phrases expressing number and quantity. For example, a dozen, a score, 100,000, a lot of, a great deal of, a gang of, a flock of birds, a gang of gangsters, a bouquet of flowers. There are about 100 trees in the garden. 100 trees. 100 trees. We have used a before 100 because word 100 It expresses number. Students made a lot of noise in the class. A lot of noise means much noise. A lot of. You need a great deal of money to buy this house, to buy this car. Great deal of. Rule number 9. Article A is used in explanations, in explanatory sentences. But when the nouns are countable nouns and they are singular nouns, what a plus singular noun, what a goal, what a long snake it is, what a beautiful parrot it is, what a good idea it is. Word idea, word goal, these are countables, and we have used what a. What rubbish it is. We don't use article A after what, even though this is an exclamatory sentence, because rubbish, it is an uncountable noun. When the noun is plural, we don't use article A after what. What lovely flowers they are. Not what a lovely flowers. What lovely flowers. But when we singularize this noun, what a lovely flower, it is correct. What a lovely flower. What a lovely flower it is then correct. When this is plural, word what never follows article A. Word quite, such, many. Article A is placed after word quite, such, many. Quite a, such a, many a. It is quite a new car. We have used A after word quite. It was such a difficult test. We have used A after word such. Many a youth was there. केतराई नौजवान होते मौजूद हैं. Many a youth was with. Many a is used with a singular verb. Singular verb agrees with many a. After word rather, we also use article A. It is rather a new house. It is rather a new car. It is rather a difficult question. Article A follows rather. After quite A. After word such A. After word many A. After word rather A. Whereas very, fairly, really, we use article before these words. It is a very old house. Article A has been placed before word very. It is a fairly long walk. Article A has been used word fairly. I made really a stupid mistake. We have used article A before word really. Article A is placed between the adjective and noun when adjective is preceded by these words: so, as, to, how. Article A is placed between adjective and noun when adjective is preceded, when before adjective, will find any of these words, so, as, to, or how. For example, it is not so big a victory as you think. Word big, it is an adjective. Victory, it is a noun. And we have used a in between adjective and noun when this adjective preceded by word so. I have never seen as big a fish as this one. Word big, it is an adjective. Fish, it is a noun. In between adjective and noun, we have used article a. It is because the adjective has been preceded by word as. Mouse is too small an animal to fight a lion. We have used an with animal in between word small and lion. In between word small and animal, word small, it is an adjective. Animal, this is noun, and in between animal and noun we have used an because word small, which is an adjective, it has been preceded by word to. I know how important a man he was. In between we have used a man. A man. In between word important and man. Man is a noun. Important is an adjective. In between adjective and man we have used a. It is because word important has been preceded by word how. When the adjective is preceded by so, as, to, or how, in between adjective and noun we have to use article a.